Hi guys, this week I'll be sharing my way of making lemon and herbs roasted chicken. It is simple and easy to make, especially for festive season and gatherings. We will need one whole chicken which has been cleaned and trimmed, and we are going to use some fresh vegetables and herbs for the stuffing and also some dry and ground ingredients as for the rubs. For the rub, we will be needing 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper for some extra kick, chili flakes, and also kosher salt, which is great for marinating due to the coarse cut of the particles. And then you mix it all together. As for the fresh herbs, I'm just going to be using some fresh rosemary and also some fresh basil, and I'm just going to chop it finely. Put all the herbs in the bowl and sprinkle some black pepper, salt, and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and mix it up. Once all the rubs are done, pat dry the chicken with a kitchen towel so that all the water will be absorbed. Next, I'm going to roughly chop all the stuffing for the chicken. I'm going to use the onion, shallot, garlic, and also 1 lemon that is being cut into half. Now that everything is ready, it's time for you to stuff all of the ingredients into the chicken. Don't forget to squeeze out some of the lemon juice out before stuffing it into the chicken. Now let's start working on the outer part of the chicken. Drizzle some olive oil onto the whole chicken and massage it all over. And then I'm going to rub in the fresh herbs under the chicken skin. Make a little pocket space for the herbs, but remember not to tear up the skin. Flip it over and now you can put it onto the breast area. As for the remaining herbs, you can rub it in all over the chicken. Now let's move on to the dry rub. Sprinkle the mix all over the chicken and give it a good massage. Make sure to cover all the areas to ensure that the chicken is fully seasoned. And then the next step is to make a little knot to tie up the chicken legs. You will have to tuck in the wings underneath the chicken breast so that the wings will not be burned and turn black once it's in the oven. Now, if there's any remaining stuffing, just put it on the roasting tray nearby the chicken. Squeeze some lemon on top and tuck some fresh herbs on the chicken for some great aroma. Now that everything is looking pretty good, put in the tray into the preheated oven for 1 hour and a half at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Once the time is up, you will have a beautiful brown lemon and herb roasted chicken ready to be indulged. It's great to be served together with some roasted potatoes and some salad. So I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. Until we meet again on the next video.